Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am sharing how to make egg noodles at home. At first, I put 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour into a big bowl. Add 1 egg. I use my hand as a whisk to combine the mixture evenly. During the process, I add a little bit of water. Pour the water in carefully, only adding a small amount of water at a time, because I don't want my dough to get too thin. I knead the dough into a ball and cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I dice a beautiful tomato into even-sized cubes. Add 3 eggs into a bowl. I whisk the egg in one direction until it has foam on top, and this makes the egg taste better when cooked. Now the dough is done resting. I dust some flour on the top. Keep kneading it for another 2 minutes. Cut the dough into 3 equal parts. With a rolling pin, flatten it into a thin sheet. Now I am dusting the sheet with some flour on the top. Then slowly fold the thin sheet and dust some flour again. Spread it evenly and fold again. Now I am cutting the folded dough sheet into noodles of even width. Gently unfold, and look, noodles have landed! Hooray! I'm so excited! Remember to dust some flour on the top of your noodles. That helps to prevent noodles from sticking together when being cooked. Now I'm making some soup for my noodles. With 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and medium-low heat, I fry the egg first. Then add diced tomato, which I prepared earlier. Stir fry it on medium-low heat for 1 minute. Then add 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil over high heat. Then turn it down to simmer. Now I am seasoning the soup with half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Now start a new pot to boil some water in it. Then I put the noodles in when the water is boiling. I cook the noodles for 1 to 2 minutes with medium heat. And when it's done, I drain the water and put the noodles into my soup with some chopped green onions on top. It's so tasty. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like. See you next time.
谢谢观看，下期再见。